2019 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. With less than 39,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, auxiliary input, stability control, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. As a Carfax one-owner vehicle, enjoy extra advantages such as having less normal wear and tear. This is a top-rated dealer. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.